Hello everyone and happy Wednesday. I'm KNWA and Fox 24 Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff. It's No Shave November, beard's growing out, but we're going to talk about severe weather potential moving in for tomorrow. It's been well over 2 months since we've seen any type of severe weather. So I want to give you this video forecast before the 5 o'clock news so you know exactly what to expect. We'll have more details tonight on the news as well. A beautiful day today. Winds are a little breezy out of the south at 13 miles an hour sustained. That's all in response to a big weather system moving in. Now you do notice those dew points in the mid to upper 50s. Those are going to be climbing. We'll have more on that here in just a bit, but that is going to be the fuel for these thunderstorms to develop. Started off the morning overcast and temperatures were really mild to begin the morning, but tomorrow here is our severe weather risk. Now this is still going to be updated at midnight tonight and then a couple more times throughout the morning into the afternoon on our Thursday. But we are looking for 2 rounds of storms. One in the morning that will be from about 9 o'clock until the early afternoon. Then we should see a break in between those storms, and then stronger storms will come in along with the cold front. Now the main threats of these storms will be damaging winds. We're looking at mainly a squall line, but what we call a QLCS squall line, which is basically a fancy acronym for quasi-linear convective system. That does mean there could be some embedded rotations or mesocyclones, which is a rotating thunderstorm within that line. Satellite and radar showing a cold front off to our west. That is beginning to move east, and this is going to be pushing in as we move into tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. A huge low pressure system off to the west. This has been affecting the west coast and the Rocky Mountains for the last couple of days. That eventually moves east and interacts with plenty of moisture. Now watch these dew points surge from the Gulf of Mexico into northwest Arkansas, and we're looking at those dew points before the front moves in the mid to upper 60s. So that's plenty of fuel for these thunderstorms to develop. And on the future track, there's that initial wave that comes in during the late morning hours. Look at it just explode in northeast Oklahoma. That'll eventually clip northwest Arkansas for the most part, and you can see that first round of thunderstorms. Then during the afternoon, additional thunderstorms develop. These are going to be pushing to the northeast, and these are ones that we have to watch out for, obviously, because you will notice that they're more of what we call embedded supercells within this line, and that's where most of the energy is going to be, and everything is going to push off to the east by about midnight tomorrow night into early Friday morning. So your forecast first showing this planner. Severe weather is possible in the morning, but most likely during the afternoon into the evening. It all depends on how much cloud cover we see. Now, we're not talking about major warming, but if we do see some breaks in the clouds on Thursday afternoon, those storms could be a little bit stronger. After that system moves out, it remains quiet and cold to start off Sunday with a freeze. It's looking likely as temperatures drop off into the lower 30s. So that's the latest from your Weather Authority. We'll have much more throughout the day and evening tonight, and of course tomorrow as that severe weather system approaches. So keep it here with your Weather Authority for the latest.